Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to learn how to make toum, which is a garlic spread that is commonly found in shawarma wraps. If you've ever tried it and you love garlic, you know just how addicting it is, so now you can make it at home. I also like to use it in my halal cart copycat sauce, which I'll have the recipe for linked down below, as well as the recipe for the shawarma marinade. Now let's get started, and this step is probably the most tedious, but you're basically going to need to peel a bunch of garlic. You want to make sure that you get some really fresh garlic. As you can tell, the ones with the green stems running through the center are not fresh. I even tried making some toum using the garlic that had the green stems, and it came out super runny. If your garlic is fresh, it will look just like this. Then you're going to add 1 cup of garlic cloves to your food processor. Make sure not to pile high the measuring cup with too much garlic, or else it'll come out kind of spicy. You're also going to add your salt at this step and then mince it finely. Then remove the lid and make sure to scrape the sides of the garlic down and pulse it again. Repeat this process 1 to 2 more times until you have a paste that looks just like this. Now we can move on to the next step, which is emulsifying our garlic paste with some canola oil and lemon juice. Here's my little trick that's going to make your life so much easier. Grab a paper or styrofoam cup and poke a small hole through the bottom. The key to making a perfect toum is to add the oil in a very thin stream, which requires a lot of patience. If you add the oil in too fast, you might end up with a very runny toum, so this trick is going to save you. Pour about half to 1 whole cup of canola oil into your cup that has the hole in it. Allow it to stream in very thinly while your food processor is on to emulsify the oil into the garlic paste. Once the oil is done, you're going to add 1 1/2 tablespoon of your lemon juice and emulsify that. It should start to thicken up right after you start adding the oil if you followed all the steps and tips correctly. If it's already appearing very liquidy and runny, it might be too late to go back and you might need to start over with some very fresh garlic. Now you're going to repeat that process of adding some more oil and lemon juice, streaming it in very slowly while the food processor is on. Once you're out of oil and garlic, your final toum should look something like this. It's gonna be nice, thick, and super fluffy, and now it's ready to make some delicious shawarma wraps. I'll have the full ingredients and instructions written out for how to make this toum down below in the description, so make sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new video. Let me know if you tried this recipe out down below in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.